Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our exciting webinar on the topic Technology and Innovations. I am Shahma Hanun, student of SuperKids July batch, and I am thrilled to be the anchor of thought-provoking and insightful session. Today, we have gathered to explore the dynamic world of technology and its impact on innovation across various domains. In this modern world, technology and innovation have become the bedrock of progress, shaping and transforming every aspect of human existence. This webinar will delve into the incredible advancements that technology and innovation have brought. So let's welcome our esteemed speaker, Raem PM.
Thank you, Shahma, for a wonderful introduction. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I hope you all are eager to learn on the topic technology and innovation. In this slide, as you can see in this slide, these are going to be the topics we're going to discuss about through this webinar. We'll be having two topics, technology and innovation. In the field of technology, we have the topics, what is technology? How did it begin? Current technologies. What do we know about the metaverse? And is technology good for us? On the other side, innovation, we have what is innovation? What are the key aspects of innovation? Is there any downsides of innovation? And can innovation be used for bad purposes? Technology. Before going to the next slide, can anybody give me an explanation of technology?
Can I?
Yeah.
So technology is like a way that we could we are using laptop. This is a technology that we could join a meet like Zoom and like those.
Thank you. That answer is correct. Technology. What is it? Technology refers to the application of scientific knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to create, modify, and utilize systems, devices, machines, or processes in order to solve problems, improve efficiency, or fulfill various human needs and desires. It encompasses a wide range of fields and disciplines, including but not limited to information technology, telecommunications, electronics, engineering, computer science, biotechnology, and robotics. Now, I hope you all know what's the definition of technology. Now, everybody may have a question of technology, like how did it begin? The origins of technology can be traced back to the earliest human civilizations. The development of technology can be seen as a gradual progression of human innovation and problem solving throughout history. Here's a brief overview of how technology began. The Stone Age. The Stone Age, which began around 2.5 million years ago, marks the earliest known of use of tools by early humans. Agricultural Revolution. Around 10,000 BCE, humans transitioned from a nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle to settled farming communities. This agricultural revolution brought about the domestication of plants and animals, leading to advancements in farming tools and irrigation systems. The Bronze Age and Iron Age. The Bronze Age, around 3000 BCE, and the subsequent Iron Age, around 1200 BCE, saw the development of metallurgy, enabling the creation of stronger and more durable tools and weapons. These are the current technologies which are present in 2023. Artificial intelligence, renewable energy, nanotechnology, quantum computing, Internet of Things, virtual reality, autonomous vehicles, and 5G. Now, as I said before, virtual reality. Virtual reality is linked with the metaverse. And this slide is about what do we know about the metaverse. The term metaverse refers to a virtual universe or collective virtual space that encompasses a combination of augmented reality, AR, or virtual reality, VR, and other immersive technologies. The metaverse is often portrayed as a three-dimensional virtual space that can be accessed through various devices, such as virtual, virtual headsets, augmented reality glasses, or even traditional screens. It goes beyond the individual virtual experiences and aims to create a persistent, interconnected, and immersive digital realm where users can explore, create, socialize, and engage in a wide range of activities. Yes, Muhammad Amin. What is it? Okay. So now, is there anybody who thinks technology is always good for us? If so, please answer.
It's
Wait,
not
so
always
do
good
we
for us.
answer if we think technology is always good for us or is it always bad for us?
It's not like that. I asked, like, if do you think technology is always good for us?
It's not always good. It can be used in a bad way.
Yes. Yeah, that's true. Correct. So technologies have both advantages and disadvantages. Some of the advantages are improved efficiency, enhanced communication, access to information. These are the benefits what we get from technology. So the downsides of technology are privacy concerns, dependency and addiction, and job displacement. These are the downsides of technology, which is really bad for us. So now we have completed the portion of technology. Now we move forward onto the section of innovation. Before going to the next slide, can anybody tell me what is innovation?
Innovation is the creation of something. So like if you get, so like the idea to create something. So like so that's my definition of innovation. To
That's
create.
correct. Yeah. That's correct, Devashish. Thank you for a wonderful answer. Innovation, what is it? Innovation refers to the process of introducing new ideas, methods, products, or services that bring about positive change or provide solutions to existing problems. It involves the creation and implementation of novel concepts, processes, or technologies that result in improved efficiency, effectiveness, or value. Innovation is crucial for driving progress and development in various domains, including technology, business, science, healthcare, and society as a whole. It can lead to advancements, disruptions, and transformations that shape the way we live, work, and interact. So, when I learned what is innovation, I was thinking in my mind, what are the steps, what are the aspects for innovation to innovate an idea? That's what we're going to learn in this slide. We have 5 aspects of innovation: creativity, problem solving, an iterative process, collaboration, adaptability. All of these critical aspects are required to innovate an idea. Community developers actively engaged in innovation and illustrated these elements in breakout sessions. Without these aspects, it would not be possible for us to innovate something. So, in this last paragraph, it's been mentioned that people who usually get engaged in innovation have found out that these are the 5 key aspects of innovation, which is required to innovate an idea. So until now, we learned what are innovation. So do you think that is there any bad downsides for innovation, or is it just that innovation is always used for a good purpose? Is there any? Yeah.
Innovation isn't always used for a good purpose. There are things that are used for bad purposes, like for say guns, because guns, when you think that self-defense weapons, they were actually designed to actually kill anyone who's struck by the bullet. So
Yes.
in my opinion, that was like innovation used to harm. So
Yeah.
innovation isn't bad on its own. Innovation is good, but no, it's not always used for the uh, for good. It's not always used for good.
Yeah. That's correct. So then innovation can be used for bad purposes. Yes, it is used for bad purposes. While innovation has the potential to bring about positive change and advancements, it can also be leveraged or harmful for unethical purposes. Here are a few examples. Weapons and warfare, as Devash said, cybercrime and hacking, surveillance and privacy invasion, environmental impact, social manipulation, and disinformation. Can anybody add some more purposes for this? Like bad purposes for innovation? Anybody? Okay. So then, after this, do you think there are downsides of innovation? I'm not talking about bad purposes, downsides, like disadvantages of innovation. Does anybody think there could be any downsides for innovation?
The only downside is that it is possible to use it for bad purposes. So like that's the so otherwise it doesn't have a downside.
That's partially correct. Thank you. So there are downsides of innovation, but then there are a lot more what I have listed in the slide. But then these are the main disadvantages for kids to be aware of. The first disadvantage is frustration and failure. Innovation often involves trial and error, which means kids may face moments of frustration or disappointment when their ideas don't work out as expected. So that means kids think that they can do whatever they want, but then when it doesn't happen for them, they get frustrated and they feel like they're a failure. So everyone should be aware of that. Technology, innovation can come with any sort of failure, and those are the steps we take to innovate a proper idea. Overwhelming expectations. Kids may feel pressured to constantly come up with a new and innovative idea, especially if they are encouraged to be creative. This pressure can lead to stress or a sense of inadequacy. Overwhelming expectations mean that there are a lot of people who may depend on those kids. So those kids think that they have to, like it's mandatory for them to accomplish what they want. So then this stress they have when they think they cannot accomplish is very bad for them. Limited resources. Kids may have limited access to resources, materials, or tools needed to bring their innovative ideas to life. This limitation can sometimes hinder their ability to fully explore the creativity and innovation. This is a problem with a lot of kids who try to innovate a new idea. Most people won't have unlimited resources. So whenever you innovate an idea, please make an idea which you can make with your resources you have present in your home. So now we have completed the portion of innovation and technology. So now it's time for the quote of the day. This quote is spoken by Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft. It goes, technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. Can anybody give me a brief explanation of this quote? Anybody knows the definition of this quote? Okay. So
Can
what
I
this
tell?
mean? Yeah. What's your name?
Isyan.
Yeah, Isian. Continue.
So in this quote, they're telling that technology is just a tool we use to become more creative, and it's just a tool we use in terms of getting like it's just a tool so that get motivated, and we use more of teamwork. But the teacher is the main one who teaches us the things, and like without her, like the whole chain will be disrupted. But if technology is not there, that kind of big like disruption may not be there. So they're telling that teachers are the most important ones.
Yes, that's correct, Izyan. Thank you. Izyan, I have a question for you. Do you think that teachers will be replaced as robots in the future? If so, if not, please answer.
I don't think that teachers can be replaced by robots because as we all know that only humans have that critical thinking skills and the emotions, and only they can make the class interact with each other. So and robots will not be like, it's like a weak point for them. Like will not be able to have this emotion, and they can't interact with the class properly. Like teachers have to focus on each child, view their strong points and nurture their talents, but it is something that robots can't do.
That's a really good answer, Izyan. Thank you. Now we have come to the conclusion and we are close to the end. So now it's Q&A. Feel free to ask any questions. If anybody wants to ask questions, you can ask here right now. Does anybody have questions related to technology or innovation?
So, my question is like, when you say, okay, hold on a second. I'll be right back. So I don't exactly have a question right now. So,
No, you can say it in your own words if you want.
so, and I'm not sure how I'm supposed to convey the question.
That's no problem. You can think about it for some time, then ask again. Does anybody
Okay.
else have a question? Anybody? Okay. So I thank you all for joining my webinar today, and I really appreciate your presence and engagement. And then I thank you once again for joining me, and I hope you all have a nice day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Okay. So, bye, I guess.
Raem, in between somebody was trying to ask a question.
Yeah.
Who was it?
Yeah, Devashish, I think.
Devashish, what happened, Devashish?
I did not actually have a question.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Anyone else having a question? Anyone else? Okay, Raem, that was well presented, very informative.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
no questions, anyone? No questions? No more questions.
Related to technology or innovation?
Raem, it was a nice session, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope you all enjoyed my webinar.
Yes, of course. So everyone can rejoin to your classes, not for the SuperKids and for the same for the Hash Future School students. Okay, thank you for joining with us. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.